from an ice cube.
So I've been hitting this through the whole week. It's gotten a bunch of it off from just the rain. We're gonna go ahead and get the heavy greasy spots with some power. Hook it up.
We're gonna take all these wires out too, right?
Yeah, we're gonna clean them all up.
All right. Do you want me to flip these over it so whenever I start pressure washing, I can get everything?
Right, that way you don't get a whole lot of water up in the...
You want me to just move it real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. That can just sit on the floor, right? No.
Now just get as much of it out as you can.
Gotta get the wires out the way.
So we can hose it all down good. It's gonna be like one of those show trucks where you work on it and you don't get dirty. See this right here?
Yeah.
Don't spray water in that. It's your power booster. The vacuum line goes in there. Just don't spray it.
Okay.
All right, dude. We got the last coat of the greaser. We'll grab the wand and start hitting it up. Almost. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on, let me spray some more of the special sauce here.
Like them on fire and clean over?
Yeah.
Alright.
Get this compressor real good. All this frame, you can see it from the other side really well.
What side is it?
Right.
I'll just move this above and over it.
Yes.
Okay, some of these wires are in this puddle, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They'll all dry. They're not making connections. go ahead and hit this frame up one more time on this side where it's all black. Get all that grease off of there. So I said, bro, they're gonna say, man, that's a clean truck. And you be like, man, you don't even know. You get the back side of your power steering pump too from that angle. You good?
Yeah.
All right, hit it up.
He's going crazy, folks. He's got a pressure washer.
Oh, look, they're having technical difficulties over there.
It's no longer a 4.8.
Forgot which one though. Man, look at that. It looked clean before, but it's like freaking super clean now.
Nice power.
All that grime is out of here. The air compressor for the air conditioner is silver now. All the stuff's off the frame. Just gonna let this thing dry. We'll go ahead and hit it with some frame paint. Well, it's gonna look good when it's all painted black in there. I'm gonna black out everything. That way when the motor's sitting in, it's like a diamond in a jewelry box. All right, y'all. Thank you for checking us out again. Appreciate it. Hit the like and subscribe. We'll go ahead and build this little regular cab short bed. It's a 2000 model. Took out the 4.8 and the 4L60. I'm gonna rebuild the 4L60 and drop the 5.3 out of my pre-runner truck in it with a little Norris NSR cam. So check it out. It's gonna be one of them vehicles that you can work on and not get dirty. Over here, got the transmission on the transmission stand and got the pump pulled out. And I'll show y'all how I rebuild an automatic next. And we can go ahead and knock this little thing out one little bit at a time. Baby steps.
Yep. Past 270, that was really quick to get to 270. Keep going. Channel's gonna get bigger.
Yeah, 270 subscribers. I thank every one of y'all for pressing that button. Trying to get to 1,000. Y'all hook me up. Appreciate it. We out.